will see my gear knob. Simple package. And yeah, of course you can install that. Have a look. So you guys pretty interesting. What's my taste there? Yeah, come on. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, it's a door handle way. Yeah, it's more like a door handle. Feel good. Including 3 adapters. So change the gear knob is pretty easy. Just twist it and it's come out. Previously I only put some low tape on there. I don't know why. I have no idea. So I'm gonna wipe it off. Yeah, install gear knob is quite easy. So they come with 3 adapters. Choose the one suits you and just turn 40 in. That's all. Done. In my case, I choose the medium one.